12th? Is that right? Or 16th?
Possibly. I think I was out of the office. I don't think I got it till Monday.
So
Basically, let me just
yeah.
run through it. All right. So basically, we all reviewed it. We've looked into it. At this point, there's no probable cause.
What do you mean?
No probable cause for us to file charges against Judge Doherty for this. I think your best.
Well, okay. So can we look at this while we're talking just to make sure?
That's fine. I understand this. Honestly, I think your best.
Can I?
Yes.
Can I just show you something real quick?
Absolutely.
So, official misconduct, right? This is a criminal offense, is it not?
It's a Nebraska state statute. Yes.
Criminal offense.
Yes.
Who's in charge of that? Do you guys handle criminal offenses like this?
Yes. Listen, I'm not here to argue with
you.
No,
I'm just asking.
No, yes.
I'm trying to clarify because when you've got a judge that's lying, and now you guys are saying we don't handle this.
I didn't say we didn't handle this.
Okay, so you do handle criminal complaints, right?
Of course.
And what I've shown here is the Attorney General lying. Okay, these are facts. They're their own publications. Okay, we've got the judge lying. Okay, we've got let's see. I don't know how many pictures I actually. Oh, here we go. We've got ex parte communications, which we know is illegal, right? Okay. We've got an logically impossible order where they dismissed for both lack of jurisdiction and failure to state a claim, something that the Supreme Court has ruled you can't do because you have to have jurisdiction first. You guys know all about jurisdiction. So when a judge transfers information, not judicial, this isn't just discretionary judicial questions, right? This isn't a discretionary, how do I see this situation? This is, today is Thursday, but they wrote today is Monday. These are factual inconsistencies that were used to formulate a dismissal that was based on complete lies, right? Now, according to the statutes, which I read very clearly, that is official misconduct. So when you guys say we've all looked at it and we don't have probable cause, beyond the proof of the lies, the proof of the rules, the published law, the handwriting of the judge, the handwriting and signature of the Attorney General, beyond all those things, what would probable cause, what could I provide, since nobody followed up with me to say, hey, we just don't happen to see it with all this evidence. Here's what we would need in order to pursue it further. Or is there nothing that would cause you guys to say, despite the fact that I've given you clear and published lies, published by the Attorney General, published in an official judge's decision, and your guys' statement is, that's not enough. So what would actually be enough to demonstrate official misconduct, considering all of those things clearly fit it?
All right. Justin, I'm not going to hear. Listen, I came here. I am out of a courtesy to come talk to you right now.
Okay, so just tell me what would I be able to provide that could help you guys?
Honestly, Justin, here's what my suggestion is to you. Okay, have you filed a complaint with the Nebraska Bar Association?
Yes.
Okay, official complaint with them.
I filed many. You know what they did?
I have no idea.
They came after me for unauthorized practice of law and said that somebody filed a complaint and that they were going to investigate, and they had a complaint and documents that I had been practicing law without a license. Well, I said, well, interesting. Since I've never done that, why don't you show me this document and complaint? They won't. So they tried to charge me with a misdemeanor, but they won't show me what they have because it doesn't exist, because it's not real, because everybody's lying. Now I've got the sheriff's office telling me that we're not going to investigate it because, what again? You don't, so are you telling me that what I provided you is not real? Are you saying that I've created or fabricated any of those documents, or are you saying nothing I do? Because you're telling me to have the judicial system monitor itself, when in fact, this is not judicial, it's criminal. They don't handle criminal, so who handles criminal?
Obviously, you know that law enforcement handles criminal
No,
investigations.
I don't, because you're telling me that
All right,
I need to
Justin.
go to the judge.
Thank you. Have a good day. All right. Appreciate it. I'm not going to sit here and have you talk down to me like that.
I'm not talking down. I asked
Have a
you a
good day,
question and you won't. Everybody is such a pussy. I'm not gonna get talked down to while I fucking lie. Fucking clowns. And you hate America.